Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually generate Facebook ads campaign using Meta AI. So in case if you have any WhatsApp number, you can actually do this without using ChatGPT. Okay, so for those of you that want to run ads on Facebook and you don't know how you can actually generate ads with your campaign, okay, like for example you want to learn how you can target the audience and stuff like that, all you have to do is to watch this video, because I'm going to use Meta AI to help you generate Facebook ads campaign. So it's going to give you the strategy and everything. So watch this video, and in case if you are new to my YouTube channel, all you have to do is to click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I post new videos just like what you're about to watch. So with that said, guys, let's get started. So this is WhatsApp. As you can see, this is the app. I know almost everyone has a WhatsApp. So you will click this Meta AI, and now I will come over here and type generate generate a Facebook ads campaign for my, let me say you are selling shoes. Okay, so let me say for my shoe business. Okay, so I'll click over here and then we wait for Meta AI to do the work. So this is it. Campaign name setup. So this is the location. In case if you want to use United States, in case you're United States, you can use United States as your location. And you can choose the age from 18 to 45. Then this is the interest. So if you want to go to the interest, you target people who are into fashion, shoes, style, footwear, and stuff like that. So if it is fashion, you can actually click something like clothes, wear, all right, fashion design. So this is what you need to do using the interest. Then behavior, you talk about online shoppers, fashion enthusiasts, and also you can add engaged shoppers. Many of you understand what I mean by engaged shoppers. So let's go to the ad set. So look at the budget, duration. So these are just suggestion. Okay, these are suggestion. So budget $500 means that you should increase your budget. So the duration should be like 2 weeks. That these are all suggestion. Okay, so you can see the ad creative, the image, the headline. Okay, all these things are the suggestion since you are running ads with targeting those who want to buy your shoes. Okay, so these are the thing. All right, so these are the ad set too. As you can see, the ads optimization, tracking and monitoring, they will just give you all suggestion. Okay, they will just give you all suggestion. Now look at this budget allocation. If you are using awareness ad as the campaign, that means it goes with 30% of the total budget. So that means 30% of your budget is going to be converted. So but if you are using conversion ads, which is the sales ads or the leads campaign, that means it's 70%. All right, so this is it. So in case if you want to run ads, you can actually use this Meta AI to give you suggestion on how you can actually run the ads. Okay, so thank you very much, as I'm going to upload more videos.